At some point, every maker hits this moment. You build something functional, you build something solid, then your brain says, yeah, but this could look way cooler. So this right here is one of my tool cabinets, and I custom built the wooden top, but until now, it's looked unfinished. So today we're fixing that with a laser. I'm Brian DeLuca, and welcome back to Make or Build It. If you're new here, this may be a really great time to subscribe. Today, we are taking the WizMaker WAND Laser Engraver, and we're custom engraving one of my tool chest tops that I built. Now, this is not a massive laser engraver. It has a 300 by 300 millimeter surface area where you could engrave, and you don't need a PhD to set it up. So let's get this out of the box and set up. So this took less than 10 minutes to set up, which is really dangerous for people like me who like starting projects at 11 p.m. It literally only involved putting in 6 screws and connecting 4 connectors and just sliding my laser right into the mount. Now the WizMaker WAND with the 12-watt laser has a 300 by 300 millimeter bed, which actually gives me a great amount of space to work with, so I can create a lot of repeatability without having to move the actual machine. It supports materials like wood, leather, paper, felt, glass, ceramic, stone, rubber, plastic, black ionized aluminum, stainless steel, and galvanized steel surface markings. It's compatible with Laser GRBL and LightBurn, as well as the mobile app Burn Lab. And the setup was super simple. I opened up LightBurn, had it look for the laser that was connected to the PC, and it found it right away. And all I had to do was drop in my logo and basically ran the code in LightBurn. And as you can see from my sample print, it came out really great. So let's get the top of this tool chest engraved. Here's the part people outside the maker world don't always get. Makers don't customize things because we're bored. We customize things because we're practicing. Every time you engrave a tool, a cabinet, a jig, or a work surface, we're not just decorating. We're learning how materials react, how designs translate from screen to reality, and how permanent marks change the way something gets used. That's the real world skill building. The same design choice I'm making on the tool cabinet, layout, spacing, contrast, durability, are the exact same decisions you make when you're creating products for customers, signs for markets, branded items for Etsy, one-off commissions, or functional shop tools that need to survive daily abuse. Customization is where fun projects turn into professional skills. And honestly, when your workspace looks intentional, you feel different. You respect it more, you move faster, and you build better. This cabinet didn't need a laser engraving, but now it tells you exactly who built it. And that's the whole point. And as you can see for this engraving, because of the height of the wood, I did have to lift it up using the other parts of the desktop. Now let's just get this out of the way. So this is where the WizMaker WAND shines. Clean lines, consistent depth, no burning, no fuzzing, no drama. And wood is one of the stronger materials, and you can tell the wand can easily handle engraving wood, shop furniture, and signs. Now let's get this on the tool chest. Because this is a laser and not a router, you don't need clamps, no tear-outs, and there's no oops, I just ruined the whole desktop. Just controlled, repeatable results. Just isn't just about pretty logos. It's about labeling your work zone, adding measurement guides, branding your workshop, and even turning your furniture into helpful tools. Oh, and a quick safety reminder. Always use protective eyewear, ventilation, and don't stare into the spicy light. Maker rule number 1, always finish a project with the same number of eyeballs you started with. This right here is why I love tools like this. Same cabinet, same wood, completely different vibe. Now this laser is great for makers, DIYers, woodshop upgrades, people who are selling items on Etsy, and making customized signs or even branding our shop furniture. If you want to check out the WizMaker wand, its specs, or options, I'll leave a link in the description below. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and remember, makers just don't build things to use them, they also build things to understand them.